Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean or MOOSTANG 09, and we are back in the garage. We are working on the truck today. There is a bit of a disappointment on my behalf. It's a bit of a shocking revelation, hence the title. We have a couple of shocks that are out on the truck, and I'm sure the suspension shocks are out, and those need to be changed. Just because they're Ranchos, they're not that good in my mind. They kind of, I don't know, like from the factory, they already had rust and stuff on the top, and I don't know. To me, I do need to change those. So that's not today. That's a future endeavor. Back to the intent and purpose of this video. We have a few shocks, like I said, that are out on the truck. First, the one that holds the hood up. Those guys are shot. They're done. They kind of worked the other day, but not really. I think the cold got to them out here in Utah, so I got to replace those guys, which I have over there. And then the disappointing one is these guys right here. These Fox shocks on my steering stabilizer. Let me see if I can brighten it up for you. That's too bright. As you can see, those guys are doing a bit of leaking. So, not good news. They're dripping on my freaking garage floor. Both of them are shot. And I thought I had done enough adjusting on them and pulled them out to where they wouldn't bottom out, but I suppose I should have checked it again over the course of a certain amount of time. You know, things move, things wiggle, especially steering and suspension related. They take a hammering. You know, I take this truck off-roading for hunting trips and just different things. Out here in Utah, there's a lot of public land, so a lot of access for that. But we've got to get these things replaced. I can start feeling it in the steering that they're not doing their job like they once did. And this time I'm going to make sure that they don't bottom out when we go to turn at all. So it is a little dirty under here, but we're going to knock it out and get it done. This should be super easy. It's a bolt here, a bolt there, and then we have 4 bolts in the back that we'll use to adjust. But yeah, so let's get the tools and get these things replaced. Now, I know I could have sent the old ones off to be rebuilt, but the cost difference and the timeline on it, it just made more sense to me just to hit up Taylor down there at PMF Suspension and get new ones. He overnighted them, and you know, I paid for the overnighting them. It wasn't a free deal at all by any means. He doesn't work with me. I just run his product. But we're gonna get these guys on the truck. I've got 2 new ones right here. The part number, let's see if we can find a part number for reference. There we go. Fox part 985-24-170. That's what you're looking at. 2 of those. And then we have just some Amazon guys for the hood struts. I tried looking for Ford ones, and to no avail. I didn't find the part number for the Ford motor ones. So these were on Amazon, next day shipping for free. So I figured why not get everything in, and then we'll just do it all together and make a video out of it for you guys. One interesting thing, this is actually 4 years I've owned this truck now. We had 84,000 miles on it. It's been doing me just fine. As you know, we did the paint match bumpers. We have wheels and tires. We've got a leveling kit. Don't forget about the sweet 50 cal antenna. We've got the Morimotos, which look amazing. And then we've got a slew of stuff going on the inside. Overall, very happy with the truck. I don't plan on it going anywhere anytime soon. One, because truck prices are insane, and inventory is also insane. There's hardly anything out there for sale. So we're keeping this guy. I love it. Maybe we'll do more to it in the future. Like I said, it kind of needs some suspension on it. I would like to replace the factory shocks here soon. One thing that I do have waiting on this is a programmer, and I can do emissions on tuning and emissions off tuning. I can do all kinds of stuff with that thing. But what I want to do is get the draggy out of the Mustang, put it in the truck, run the truck stock and see how it goes, and then run it with the emissions on tuning and see if there's a difference on the draggy. I think that would be an awesome scientific experiment, we'll call it. I digress. Too much talking, not enough working. Let's get these guys over to the truck and we'll replace them, and we'll show you just how bad those ones have gotten. Huge shout out to my in-laws for the socket set, for the impact set. And this is from my parents for Christmas. A new Milwaukee socket set, 3/8 drive for both of these, which is what I've really been needing. So shout out to them. I gotta unbox this real quick. I need the 19 out of here. Threads are a little bit dirty and a little bit rusty. Something new we have to deal with living up here in Utah, where they prep the roads and do all that stuff. Back down in Texas, they're hurting last weekend again with snow and ice. So sorry for you boys, but let's get a move on. See how rusty and corroded that looks? Should have put some WD-40 on maybe, but it came off nonetheless. And down there, you can see the stuff from inside of the shock coming out. Not good. Got the new one here. So as you can tell, the sticker alignment is not cool on these ones. You throw it on that way and then you have a seam. So we'll go this way. You can't read that it says Fox like the old ones did, which kind of sucks. But that's the least of my worries. I want to make sure that my truck is working right and we don't have leaking pieces on there. So let's get this guy on. Put our bottom nut on. That's an easy swap. This takes 5 minutes to do. I'm going to knock out the other one right quick, and then we're going to adjust our end brackets right here so that we can make sure we have enough clearance when we turn it all the way both directions. It's not bottoming out, and it's not going to wear these ones out prematurely like I did before. Looks good. With those all done, we can move to the hood props now, or the hood struts. Let's see. Let's see if, yeah, yep. Come on. Yeah, busted. Damn. But the perfect hood prop lies in this golf bag, and that would be my putter. It works perfect. You guys are zoomed in. Back it out for you. Let me set you down, get this hood propped up. Now it's time to replace these guys. They're pretty easy. You just pull on this little tab here, and it should pop out of that ball. Should pop out of that ball. Need to get a little pick or a small flathead to do that, but obviously we have two, and they're on the workbench. Let's see. This. I'm just gonna pull this clip, and you don't have to pull the clip all the way out. It's not a lot. You just pull it, and then hope the hood doesn't fall on your face. There we go. Junk. So you have the new one. The clip is already in and everything. You just take it, push. Takes hardly any pressure. My golf club's gonna fall. Maybe. See if the Amazon ones work. And they do. Perfect. Let's see how strong they are. Grab this. So the hood goes down. Money, dude.
Money, dude.
That's like that guy on Instagram. That's money, dude. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thanks, Courtney, for filming.
You're welcome.
Appreciate Appreciate it. Truck is looking great. Unfortunately, the beast tag is out of here. The truck is official Utah truck now. I did leave my Texas registration sticker in the window just as like memories of the good times and the, I don't know, my love for home. I miss home sometimes, miss my friends. But Utah is gorgeous. It's beautiful. You guys can't see that. Utah is beautiful. We have Utah Lake. We have the Wasatch Mountains. Just behind this house is Mount Timpanogos. But yeah, we're loving it out here. Excited for what the years have to bring for us. And I'm really pumped for the hunting season this year. Look, I got my Sitka on, you know, big time hunters out here. I'm rambling. Oh, speaking of hunting, if you want to watch some outdoor stuff from yours truly, I do have a second channel, Sean Goes. It'll be a link in the description. I think we're at like 30-something subscribers. We'd love to hit 100 this year. Or actually, let's do it this month. Hitting 100 in February would be amazing. I'm not going to continue to plug it on this channel, but I will link it in the description of all my videos. So if you ever get the itch to see some outdoor stuff, go check that out. Once again, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been Sean or MOOSTANG 09, and we'll catch you boys next time. Take it easy. Peace.